Today we are doing a quick review of the Underbody Blaster Pro. The kit comes with multiple extensions and spray nozzles. We will compare a fixed head underbody sprayer to the Underbody Blaster Pro. First up is the fixed nozzle sprayer. There are no height adjustments, and depending on how much lift your rig has, you may have a large distance between the fixed spray nozzles and the bottom of your rig. Next up is the Blaster Pro Underbody Sprayer. The Blaster is a single head sprayer with adjustable height and sprayer head options. Because it is adjustable, you can change the height and angle of the spray nozzle depending on your needs. The kit comes with multiple standard nozzles. First is the black soap nozzle. It is the widest, lowest pressure tip. Next is the white nozzle. It is a 40-degree nozzle with a wide fan spray and low pressure. Green is a 25-degree nozzle with medium width spray. Orange is a 15-degree nozzle with a narrow width spray. And red is a 0-degree power spray. The kit comes with multiple extensions from 5.5 inches on up. Add as many as needed to reach your frame. This has been a quick review. Which one do you think fits your needs best? The adjustable power blaster or a standard 4-nozzle sprayer? Subscribe to see more reviews.